Hello everyone, welcome back to Study with RK. Today in this video, we will discuss about most important question of unit number 4, microbiology of drinking water and wastewater. Let's see 1 marks question. Define sludge. 1% of sewage consists of solid waste called sludge. Give names of waterborne infections you are knowing, that is diarrhea, malarial fever, amoebiasis, cholera, hepatitis, typhoid fever, etc. What is the drawback of iron bacteria in water? Iron bacteria may help other organisms grow and they can create conditions where other disease-causing organisms may grow. Next, what is composting? Composting is a microbial process that converts organic waste material into a stable, sanitary, humans-like product. What is trickling filter? The trickling filter is an aerobic treatment system that utilizes microorganisms attached to a medium to remove organic matter from wastewater. What are fecal coliform? Fecal coliforms are types of total coliform that mostly exist in fishes. Escherichia coli is a subgroup of fecal coliform. Then, what is anaerobic digester? Anaerobic digestion is a biological wastewater treatment process that is used for treatment and reduction of organic waste such as organic sludge or concentrated organic industrial waste which contain solids. Give the name of filter for water purification, that is two types, slow sand filter and rapid sand filter. Give the method of bacterial analysis of water, the standard plate count, the most probable number, it's called MPN procedure, the membrane filter method and the ONPG and MUG test. Next, write the full form of ONPG and MUG. Full form of ONPG is orthonitrophenyl D-galactopyranoside and MUG is 4-methylum balliferyl 3D glucuronide. Define COD. Chemical oxygen demand is a measure of the capacity of water to consume oxygen during the decomposition of organic matter and the oxidation of inorganic chemicals such as ammonia and nitrite. Define BOD. Biochemical oxygen demand represent the amount of oxygen consumed by bacteria and other microorganisms while they decompose organic matter under aerobic condition, means oxygen is present at a specific temperature. Next, define wastewater. Wastewater is used water that has been affected by domestic, industrial and commercial use. The composition of wastewater is 99.9% water and the remaining 0.1% is what is removed. The 0.1% contains organic matter, microorganisms and inorganic compounds. Then define biofilm. Assembly of microorganisms and their extracellular secretions is referred to as a biofilm. Define sanitary survey of water. Sanitary survey is defined as an on-site review of the water source, facilities, equipment, operation and maintenance of a public water system for the purpose of evaluating the adequacy for producing and distributing safe drinking water. Next, define coliform. Coliform is gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria such as Escherichia coli normally present in the intestine. Monitored coliform levels in drinking water. Give the name of chemical used in disinfection of water. The three chemicals most commonly used as primary disinfectants are chlorine, chlorine dioxide and ozone. Coliforms are used as indicator organisms because they indicate the potential presence of disease-causing bacteria in water. Next one is advanced treatment is generally used to treat wastewater to reduce BOD and to decrease the load of nitrogen and phosphorus compound present in the effluents. Treatment of municipal water supplies is based upon primary treatment, secondary treatment, advanced and final treatment. Water testing relies on the detection of certain indicator organisms known as coliform bacteria. Trickling filter comes under secondary treatment. Next, give two examples of coliforms, that is total coliform bacteria, fecal coliform bacteria and Escherichia coli. A dense bacterial population caught in a tangled web of fibers sticking to a surface to describe a biofilm. The magnitude of BOD of wastewater is related to amount of organic material. Then what is septic tank? Septic tank is sewage settling tank which retain the salt of the sewage that enter to it and decompose it anaerobically. Next, what is MPN test? MPN means most probable number method, is indirect statistical method to estimate bacterial population in a liquid when samples contain too few organisms to give reliable measures by the plate count method. Then what is solid processing? Solid processings are stabilize solids, dewater it and decompose of solid, and land applications, landfill and incineration. Define anion exchanger. Anion exchanger is positively charged and attracts negatively charged anions. Next, write down the list of key indicator organisms, that is coliforms, thermotolerant coliforms, Escherichia coli, fecal streptococci, enterococci, sulfite reducing Clostridia, Clostridium perfringens, bifidobacteria, bacteriophages and coliphages. Then 4 marks question. Explain sanitary survey, explain water purification approaches, write a note on physical character of water, anaerobic sludge digestion, oxidation ponds, write a note on secondary treatment of wastewater, MPN test, and another one is disinfection, explain key indicator organisms, explain COD, single dwelling unit, and trickling filter, write a note on BOD, discuss bacteriological evidence of water pollution, write a note on sedimentation for water purification. Then 7 marks question is describe municipal wastewater treatment in detail. What is BOD? Then explain chemical and microbial properties of wastewater. Then write a note on composting, municipal wastewater treatment process and bacterial analysis of wastewater. Then chemical characteristics of water. Then another one is filtration technique for water purification. Then advanced wastewater treatment, not on biological oxidation of wastewater. Then primary treatment of municipal wastewater, not on solid waste management. Then anaerobic sludge digestion. Then what is COD and how to calculate it. So that's all about question bank of unit number 4. Thank you everyone. If you like this, do like, share and subscribe my channel Study with RK.